Yeah, guys, yesterday class we done with some introduction part, right? So introduction about the Python. So the course duration and all we done yesterday class. So anyone today first class?
Yeah, I'm first.
Guys, please respond in
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
This is not the demo class, sir.
yeah, demo class only.
Yesterday
Can
we
you
didn't,
please,
we didn't attend the
yeah.
class, sir.
It's fine. See, yesterday class just we started like so today what we're yesterday class we started the first demo, like what the duration of this course. So anyway, I'll take that points now. And yesterday class what we completed, I'll share the recorded session. Just you can check that recorded session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yes. Can you please brief me about this regarding the course and details? Can you please
Yeah,
brief
definitely.
me?
Today you'll get the clarity. Everything will get the clarity.
Yeah.
Okay, so yesterday class I will repeat again, and I'll share the recorded session, and I will share you the course duration and the course content, everything today. Today you'll get the complete idea. Okay, no worries about that. And even today itself we will start some practicals, guys, because Python is all about the practical way. So there is no much theory, guys, because in Java to start the first application mostly they'll spend like 1 week, 10 days time, but in Python today itself I'll start your programming. Okay. So, guys, you got the clarity, right? What I'm saying? Good. Guys, coming to the yesterday class, guys, let me share the recording for the yesterday class first of all. So to check the recording, just you can. Yeah, to open this yesterday class recording, guys, just you can go to the Google, because see, first two demos which is uploaded in the YouTube itself. So here just you can type the Python by ROM 11 a.m. Python by ROM 11 a.m. Yeah, this is like demo one, guys. 21 hours is uploaded. Yes, everyone, please check this. Guys, yesterday we discussed this demo here. Because first point we discussed like class one. Very important to check the popularity of the programming language, guys. Guys, to check the popularity of the programming languages, just check this website once. pypyl dot. Please mute. Please mute. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yes, yesterday class, the first point we check like popularity of the programming language, guys. pypyl.github.io. We are checking this website. Just you can check this website once. This website, the first place goes to definitely Python. This is first point, guys. To check the popularity of the programming languages, we can check like github.io, pypl.html. So rank one definitely goes which language, guys? Here, rank one is goes to definitely Python language, right? So yeah, worldwide the Python is the most popular language in Python. The first point we discussed, just to check that point, guys. And second point, the technology that depends on Python. So what are the technology that depends on Python, guys? Data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So machine learning, these all the concepts that depends on Python, right? Image processing, deep learning, these all depends on Python. Guys, see, I opened some Java documentation, Java data, Java data. So in the Java, see, guys, if you open the Java, see Salesforce, cloud computing, ADF, OAF, SAP modules, Android. These guys are believed Java. So it means Java is not outdated concept, guys. Java is having its own importance. You have to get the clarity. Okay, these guys are believed Java. SAP modules, ADF, OAF, Salesforce, cloud computing, MDM, PLM, TIPCO. These all require the Java, guys. It means some of the courses, some of the technologies, they believed Java. But who believed Python, guys? Here, data science, machine learning, maze processing. These guys believed what? Python, right? It means Salesforce, cloud computing, Pega, Selenium, Hadoop, ADF, OAF. These technologies they believed like which language? Python or Java? These guys are believed like these guys are believed like Java language, guys. But data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, for these guys, most of the predefined support is given by Python, most of the predefined libraries. Yes, Java is not given like libraries to the data science. Python is given the data libraries to the data science. But what about Salesforce? Salesforce libraries not given by Python. For the Salesforce, the libraries are given by Java, right? The Salesforce libraries are given by Java, right? So like that, guys. Like that, we have the information. So Java is having its own importance. Python is having its own importance, right? Exactly. That's what. What are the technologies that depends on Python, guys? Here, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, image processing. These all are using what? These all are using Python, right? Exactly. So even Selenium, guys, these days, Selenium code also they're writing using Python. Hadoop, the module they given like PyDoop. Spark, they are using like Python, like PySpark. They're using this implementation, guys. If you want to become a Python developer, guys, if you want to become a Python developer, we have to take the Python core and advanced. You have to take, guys. With the Python core and advanced, the basic things will be completed, guys. After that, we need to know like web framework is required. What is the web framework, guys? Here, Django is like what? Django is like one web framework, right? Definitely, we have to know like Django web framework, guys. And web services require REST API calls, guys, to design the payment gateways, WhatsApp message sending, Twitter message sending. For the payment gateways, you require web services concept. So, generally in Amirpet classes, the faculty is saying like for the business purpose, if you know Python, you'll get the job. Just tell me, guys, if you know Python, if you know only basic things, right? You know basic things. But in the real time, we are developing application using only Python with the client server based application. Yes, in the real time, we are designing application using what? Client server based application, right? In real time, if you are designing application using client server application, Django is a web framework. Django is what? Web framework where we can design the client server based application, guys. Where we can design what? Client server based application, right? And web services to design the services, guys, like payment gateways. Definitely in your project, we have designed the payment gateways, right? We have to the payment gateways, and we have designed the WhatsApp message sending and chatbot, right? Chatbot and chatbot voice recognition. These are all the services, guys. These are all the services how we are implementing in the real time. We are implementing in the real time using REST API calls, guys. So to become a Python developer, definitely to require the Python core and advanced, and web framework is required, one Django framework, and web services required, right? Web services required, guys. There's a Python developer. No, sir, I'm attending Python classes just for to attend my data science classes. After Python, just you can go to the data science classes. Yes, sir. No, no, sir, I'm attending Python classes for the Spark purpose. After Python, you can go for the PySpark. No, sir, I'm attending Python classes to take my Selenium classes. Then after Python, you can take the Selenium, right? If you want to become a completely pure Python developer, then you can take the Python, Django, and REST API calls. I think you got the clarity, right? Yeah, that's the point, guys. And the third point, third point here, the top websites are using Python, guys. What are the websites are using Python? Yesterday I said clearly, top websites are using Python. See, guys, Google search engine using Python. Google search engine using Python. Facebook using Python. YouTube using Python. Yahoo completely PHP based. Guys, are able to see, right? Guys, please respond. Are able to see this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We are
So
able.
Amazon completely based on the Java, guys. Amazon, Flipkart is completely based on Java. Amazon, Flipkart completely based on Java. Wikipedia completely based on PHP. So Twitter completely based on the Java. Okay. eBay completely based on the Java. And Bing completely based on C Sharp.net. Like that, LinkedIn is completely Java. Pinterest completely Python. It says like clearly Python is having its own importance and Java is also having its own importance, right? Do you think like Java is outdated, Python outdated, Java came? Do you have any scenario like that? At least based on this structure, we can understand that Java is having its own importance and Python is having what? Its own importance, right? Guys, do you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because YouTube, because Amazon completely Java, Twitter completely Java, LinkedIn completely Java, Flipkart completely Java, like that. Pinterest completely Python, YouTube completely Python. So Facebook completely Java, Java and Python both combination. Google search engine completely Python, like that, guys. So I shared this website links also to you. Just you can this top websites are written in Python, guys. Here I written the website links also. You just to open this website, you try to read that points once, okay? Yeah, these are the top websites that are using Python, guys. So this 10 famous website built using Python. So Instagram, Google, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, Dropbox, Pinterest, Instacart, is all using Python, right? Guys, first point is like first rank goes to Python. Check the survey, GitHub survey. Second point, like technology depends on Python. Third point, like top websites are using Python, right? Top websites are using Python, guys. And see, guys, Python, see, in Amirpet classes, generally the faculties are saying, yeah, in Amirpet class, generally faculties are saying what? So C language means we have to write the code like this. Hash include std_h. Void main, print of good morning. Java means you have to write the class test, public static void main, print statement like this. Good morning. Python means only print statement. Python is very easy. Guys, don't decide like that, please. Because if you're really working employee, he never, based on this print statement, we never say like Python is very simple, right? Python is okay, simple only, but not like a print statement. Python is very simple. It's not like that, right? Yes or no? Python is that much simple, not that much simple, right? But most of the guys are saying C language means this much code, Java means this much code, Python is a single line of code. Python is very simple. Array, Python is very simple means data science, machine learning, these guys are using Python, right? At least basic idea. Data science, machine learning, definitely top end, high-end technologies, right? It required more analytical skills. Those guys are using that much simple Python, huh? Yes, those guys are using that much simple Python. Definitely no, right? That's what, guys. My experience is like, my experience is so Python is simple, not that much simple. Python is always required because Python is less about the coding, guys. Java, definitely I have the experience on Java, 12 years experience, guys. But recently I'm working for the Python product now. I'm working for the product based company. Java, when I'm working with the Java, sir, you require more analytical skills means definitely I said no. Java, very simple code. Java is more about the coding. Definitely when compared to Python, so I'm not saying completely Java is more coding, guys. When compared to Python, Java is what? More about the coding, less about analysis. But everyone knows that Python is what? Less coding or more coding? Guys, everyone knows that Python is what? Less coding or more coding? Python is definitely less coding, right?
Less coding.
Less coding.
Where the less coding is there, required more analysis, right? Bit analysis required or not? Guys, see, that's my experience is this point, guys. Java more about the coding compared to Python, more about the coding. Don't think like Java, sir, I have to write the more code. It's not like that. Compared to Python, Java bit more coding, less about analysis. Python is what? Less about the coding. Definitely Python, we can write achieve the requirement only less lines of code. Python is less about the coding, guys. Less about the coding, more about what? Analytical skills. Guys, I hope everyone is agree this word, right? With my explanation.
Yeah, sir, I have a small doubt. Sorry
Tell
for
me,
that. Yeah. Do we have knowledge for sure with the full stack also regarding this?
See, full stack in the sense we have to like Python, Django, and REST API calls. That is a full stack in Python basically.
Yeah.
Okay. Because HTML, CSS, these are not required because the Django fact, when I take the Django classes, I will teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how much it required as a developer. Okay, that's what. If you want to become a Python developer, clearly I'm saying like you complete the Python first, then take the Django, then take the web services. These three are sufficient to get to become a Python complete full stack developer. Okay.
Okay.
That is sufficient. Yes, I hope everyone is agree this word, right? Python is less about the coding or not? Less about the coding, right? Yeah. Yesterday I written one word like Python developer means only just focus on this one, like that. Yeah. Okay, so yesterday I written one point here. When Anil complete the task using 10 lines of code, he's very happy, right? Because I said like Anil do the requirement. Anil do the requirement means he is doing the requirement 10 lines of code. When he written the complete the requirement 10 lines of code, he is very happy, right? Because he is very flexible to write the 10 lines of code, right? Yes or no? He is very flexible to write the 10 lines of code.
Yes, sir.
But I said, as a manager, I said, Anil, you're using Amirpet code to write the to do the task. In Amirpet classes code, 10 lines are fine to write the code, but you can reduce that lines in application. But you can reduce that lines in the real time while doing the requirement. Then manager said, what reduce the lines of code to 3 lines of code. When the Anil has to make the 10 lines of code into 3 lines of code to reduce the lines, definitely need some analysis or not.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? That is the point, guys. That is the point, right? To write the 3 lines of code, definitely I need some analysis, right? That's what, guys. Python is less about the coding means analysis required, bit analysis required.
More about analysis.
Not more, bit analysis required. Do you agree these points, right? But Python is not that much very simple in Amirpet. Like Amirpet faculties are saying like very simple. Hey, how can we decide based on this print statement Python is simple? Tell me. And even at least no one is thinking as a student level, no one is thinking like, no one is thinking like Python is that much simple. The data science guys are using Python. It means data science and machine learning concepts are using that much simple language. Definitely no, right? Anyone
Not
is
exactly.
anyone is analyzing like that? Even if you ask any Python student, the guys who are attending other classes, the first point they say like Python is very simple. If it is very simple means Sundar Pichai Google search engine is all based on Python. It means Sundar Pichai using that much simple language to build the Google search engine. Definitely no, right? Yeah. This is the thing, guys. I cannot say like Python that much simple. Python is less about the coding. Bit analysis required. Bit analysis required, right? Exactly. Data drives every industry decision. Data drives, guys, completely depends on Python now. Everything is a cloud based. Everything is a cloud based, completely depends on Python. Telecom, retails, these all depends on Python.
What is
guys.
the cloud computing role in this? Sir? Is it required for
Cloud.
Python too?
No. Some things they are using, but not mostly. But cloud computing, they are going for the mostly Java. They believe Java data.
Okay.
But
Okay.
maybe industry later they'll shift for the Python. But as of now, they are going for the cloud computing Salesforce. They're using Java only. That's what the guys are saying. Like Java upgrade, Python is going to market. That is not correct word, right? Definitely. That's not a correct word. The duration of this course is like, so duration 2 months, guys. We'll complete the core Python, advanced Python. The class mostly on Monday to Saturday. Yes, Monday to Saturday. I have the complete material, guys. So I'll share the complete materials with you. So these are the data, guys. See, guys, duration of this course like 2 months. Monday to Saturday, I will take the class. I will share the complete documents to your mail ID. Every day, we will get the recorded session to your email, guys. A recorded session to your email ID. Okay, so these are test papers, guys. Test questions are there. These are questions asked by topmost interviews, guys. It's not like very basic questions. I hope the 30th line you can see. 30th line, T of I for I in a range of 0, length of T, 2 is there. Definitely to understand this line, bit analysis required or not?
Yes.
Guys, 30th line you can see. 30th line to understand, definitely bit analysis required, right? Guys,
Yes,
please
sir.
respond. Do you agree or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, of course.
In this line, you can see x for x in range of 7. If x data and x percentile to w equal 0. Even here, I'm using for loop and if condition, everything in the single line, right? Yeah, that's what, guys. These are the topmost interview questions, guys. If you complete these questions, any written test is very simple for you guys. Like this, I will share the 10 written test papers, guys. I will share the guys. I will share the interview questions and I will share the interview questions and all, guys, with you. So coming to the class notes, guys. Every day class notes, what are the class notes we are writing? I will share the class notes using this link. What the link is, class notes link, protecttech.com/py11am. When you open that, it's asking password, guys. The password for that one is a py Python. Guys, I think this is the last class what we completed. I hope everyone got the idea, right? And even protecttech.com/py11am, the link actually. Guys, I'll share this link in chat. You please try to check this link once. You try to check this link. Guys, everyone try to open that link. When you're trying to open that link, it's asking like password, right? Guys, try to open that link. It's asking password now. The password for that link is a Python, py.
Yes, sir.
Just py, guys. Password is just py. That's it. Guys, this is the day one notes. I placed yesterday notes here. Yesterday notes here, and the video links. Yesterday class links I'm placing here. This is my class link, yesterday class notes link. And today class, what are the notes I will write? I will write that place in the day two here. Okay, guys, I hope you got the clarity, right? What I'm doing here. Day one notes here, yesterday class video link here, and the day two notes here. Day two notes today, what we are going to write, I will place the notes here. Guys, yesterday points are clear.
Yes, sir.
This is the class one notes, guys. Check the popular programming languages. Technology depends on Python. So top websites are using Python. Python is a more about what Java is a more about the coding, less about analysis. Not less means don't think like more coding and less analysis, completely less analysis. When compared to Python, Java bit coding required, bit less analysis required. Python is what less coding means what more analysis required. But you don't decide like please with the print statement. Python is very simple. Python is very simple, right? Yeah, this is the data, guys. This is the duration of this course. Time is 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. The shop will start the class by 11 a.m. guys. Today we started 11:05. Demo class we started by 11:05. Yeah, it's fine. I'll share the complete documents with mail, guys. Recorded session, guys. Every day you will get the recorded session to your mail ID. Okay. I will share the interview questions and test papers to you. And the class notes every day I will share this using this protecttech.com/py11am. So I hope you got the clarity now. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you can take the class too now. Guys, only for my classes, we have a couple of demo classes. The guys who are going to continue from tomorrow, complete the formalities, try to take the new link. Yeah. Complete the formalities at fee payments, guys. Try to complete the fee payments, try to take the new link because the tomorrow the link may or may not work. Okay. There's class 2. Can I show the syllabus? Can I write the program now? One program about the Python. What do you say?
Syllabus, sir.
Can you share the syllabus? Very good. Your satisfaction is important. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Guys, 1 second. I think my system is. Okay, na? Yeah. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Guys, my system was restarted. I don't know the reason.
No problem, sir.
System restarted, guys. Yeah, let me open the D plus once. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
It's
Yeah, fine.
loading.
It will, we will get, but why? Yeah, that's fine, right? Yes, yesterday, yeah, today's like you need to show, you want me to show the syllabus copy, right? Guys, to open the class notes link, py 11 a.m. Python 11 a.m. The class notes link, when you open this link, it's asking password, right? It's asking like password.
Sir?
Why this much slow system today? Yeah, the password is for this one is a Python, right? Yeah, this is the day one notes here. So this is my day one notes. Just you can try to check the day one notes. The day one notes, I shared the video link also. You try to check the video link, right? Exactly. Guys, today we'll go for the class 2 now. Before that,
Sir,
you can
is
check.
hello.
Ah,
Is Java Selenium is good or Python Selenium is
see,
good?
ma'am, most of the projects are running under Java Selenium only. 80% projects are running under Java Selenium.
Okay.
But recently, some of the companies like the new projects, some of the companies they start using the Selenium with the Python also
Okay.
because of code flexibility. When compared to Java, Python code is a flexible code.
Hmm.
Because length of the code is reduced means developer feels happy, right?
Yeah, yes.
That's what some of the guys.
So if I have 2-year experience, then which one should I prefer?
If you have the
Java.
more analytical skills, better to go with the data science.
Okay.
Java is not better option, amma. Actually, the Java need the more patience because in the Java, you see, you have to take the core Java, na, almost all Amirpet classes 5 months, advanced Java, na, with core Java, advanced Java, will get the job means definitely no. Again, we have to take the Spring classes, Spring Boot classes, web services classes, microservices classes.
Okay.
These are all required, right? The
Yes.
guys who are interested on Java, then Java is very good actually. Java is very good, Python is also good. But the guys who are starting newly means the Python is good actually, and compared to Java.
But I have a small doubt.
Tell me here.
There is an app called Bigger Software Solution. Is that app from your institution?
Madam, my English.
Durga Software Institute, yeah, it's app from our institute only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Durga, you want me?
this is Venkat here.
Venkat, tell me here.
Is it helpful for Python scripting also, no? If I learn
We
core
will
and
write
advanced.
Yeah, because we'll start the scripting only. Definitely Python is you can write the script based. We can write the Python function oriented. We can write the Python is object oriented. That's what Python is more flexibility is there.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank
Python, you. Python we can write only script based guys. Python you can write for the function based, procedure oriented. Python you can write for the object oriented also. Python support is all the features.
Okay, okay, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. There's any other questions?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
This is Lavanya, sir.
Ah.
Actually, I have worked for 2 years for an embedded, sir. I have gotten gap for 3-4 years. I have chosen a Python, but after Python, we need to learn the tools also. I got information. I mean,
Definitely.
which type of tools?
See, if you're more about the analytical skills are there, bit analysis okay. I can do hard work, I can do analytical, I can analyze the data. Then you can go for the data science and machine learning because these days the good market is there for the data science and machine learning concepts. No, sir, I don't have that much analytical skills and all. Then simply we can do with the Python. It's like Python.
పైథాన్ అంటే ఐ మీన్ పైథాన్ ఒకటి నేర్చుకుంటే సరిపోదు, పైథాన్ తో పాటు ఏదైనా టూల్స్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి, అయితేనే
Front
ఫర్దర్
end
గా
and back end.
See, the tools in the
ఫర్దర్
sense,
గా
the tools in the sense their intention, right? After Python, you have to take, please mute. The tools in the sense their intention is like, no, after Python we have to take the data science, machine learning, these concepts, not
దట్స్
just
వాట్
technology.
అంటే ఏది అయితే బాగుంటది అని, అంటే
That's
డేటా
what
సైన్స్
I'm
కానీ
saying. If you are good at the analytical skills, if you know the analysis, bit analysis, or I can do some analysis means, then you can go for the data science, and machine learning is very good in the market. Then you can put some experience. Okay.
ఓకే.
No, sir, not that much analytical skills. I'm unable to that much analysis. At least you know, right, what you're able to, or able
ఎస్
to.
సార్.
In that case, if you are unable to do the analysis, then you can take the Python. After that, you can take the Django web framework.
జాంగో.
Web framework you can take Django. Here, client server architecture, right? So that easily you can understand client server architecture applications.
Sir,
Tell me.
యాప్ లో ఉన్న క్లాసెస్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పే క్లాసెస్ సేమా?
Sorry.
యాప్ లో ఐ మీన్ దుర్గా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సొల్యూషన్స్ యాప్ లో ఉన్న క్లాసెస్ అండ్ మీరు చెప్పే క్లాసెస్ సేమా?
It's not. It's completely different, guys. Different in the sense, I think my classes are not there in the app. First of all, that's one point clear. And
Yeah, sir, it's by Durga, sir.
it's by Durga sir is there. See, guys, the things are like content is different because whatever I'm teaching is different. Whatever sir is teaching is different. We are in the live, so you can talk with me. You can ask any questions. Number 3 is like every day I'll give the assignments and test papers. This all we can solve it. And if you have any questions, please let me know. So like that, we will go with these classes. Okay, but the already existed classes means what? How much content is there? You learn that content, but you don't know where is the starting, where is the ending, right? And you don't know what are the assignments, right? You don't know what are the test papers, right? This all I will share you in front of, like in our classes, so that we will move forward slowly, so that we can get the clarity, right? That is our intention. The way of teaching is completely different, guys, because maybe Sari is teaching some different examples. I will teach some different examples because my coding is always in the project level. So you have to be taken. Yeah, see, that is only for the sample videos. Some videos are there. So you can attend this class and you can take that, you can check that videos also parallelly, so that you can understand what the teaching is going on, right? Yeah, see, in the demo class, what I teach and what are the information I given, you can check any demo class, you never get that information. If you want, you can try to check once. Maybe some guys knows that, right? Some guys attend demo classes, right? Other demos, my demos, definitely you feel the difference or not. Yes, please respond. Some guys at least attend some other demos, right?
No,
Other
sir,
guys-
this is my first demo class.
No, not you. Maybe some guys attend some other demos than my demo, right? You try to check some other demos, guys. Definitely those demos and my demo completely different. Completely different. Okay, this is syllabus copy what we are going to discuss. This is your material regarding Python, guys. This is complete material by myself. I written this complete material, guys. What are the sentences I'm saying in the class? Same thing is there in the material. So almost all 300 page material is there. Yes, index page you can see. Python introduction we will start first of all. We'll discuss the first application, different ways to run the code, format the data, escape sequence character, keywords in Python. We will see like some introduction part, guys. Then second topic we'll start the data types concept. Data types like string. Guys, in Python we have only basic data types are 4: string, int, float, boolean. That's it.
There is a complex data type is also there.
Yeah, that's why I make is a advanced data types, which is like list, tuple, complex. That will make it as other data types. Okay, basic data types you can make it as a string, int, float, boolean. Okay, next one you get the operators concept, guys. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator. Next one is the flow control statements: if else, elif, for loop, while loop, break and continue, right? The looping statements, guys. In Python variables we will discuss. In Python contains local variables, global variables, and we have the non-local keyword, global keyword. We'll discuss Python variables concepts are there. Next is the Python functions we will see, guys. Python functions means functions uses, function return type, function arguments, inner functions, So how we can handle inner functions, these all we'll see. Next is the PEPAID standards, guys. Python enhancement proposal. This topic, no one will teach this topic, guys, in AMIPAID, because PEPAID standards means Python enhancement proposal. In the real time, how we will write the coding. In the real time, what are the rules we have to follow to write the coding part? Like function to function, we have need the 2 lines of gap. Function to variable, we have to 1 line of like 1 space required, semicolons required, import statement required. PEPAID standards, guys. So in the real time, how we design the code, how we will write the code, that is comes under what the PEPAID standards, guys. Python enhancement proposal concept is very, very important, guys. Very small topic, 1-2 days, 1 day I will discuss, 1 or 2 days. But using these standards only, we have to write the code in the IDs. Guys, using these standards only, we have to write the code in IDs, right? Exactly. Guys, the Python advanced data types, here you can see string, list is there, tuple is there. Actually, this is not string, this is actually, I forgot, like complex. Complex is there. Yeah, complex means complex is there. Yeah, complex data type is there. List is there, tuple is there, set is there, dict is there, dictionary, right? Exactly. The 9th topic, you'll go with the lambda expressions, guys. How can you apply the lambda expressions? How can you write the filters? How can you write the mappers? How can you write the reducers concept? Filters, mappers, and what? Reducers. A very, very important topic in application level. Next one, we'll go with exception handling concept, guys. We'll discuss the try block, except block, else block, finally block, and raising the exceptions, guys. So like raising the exception, nothing but handling the user-defined exceptions. This is nothing but what? Handling user-defined exceptions. Because in application level, in your project means what? We have to create your own exceptions and we have to handle your own exceptions, right? Handling user-defined exceptions, guys. Good. The 10th topic is like file handling. So modes of the file: read, write, append mode, closing the file in different ways. Okay. So we will see like working with the text files. Okay. Next one will go with the working with the CSV files, guys. CSV files. And next one will go with the working with the Word files. Next one we'll working with the Excel files, guys. So working with what? Excel files. So we will see these all the points. File handling, guys. Working with the text files, CSV files, Word files, and Excel files, right? Exactly. Assertions topic, guys. Debugging the application. How can you debug the applications using assertions concept, guys? So debug the application using assertion, right? Yeah. Okay. So advantage of assertion concept. So advantages of what? Assertions, right? Exactly. How to debug the application using assert statement, guys. That's the 12th topic. And the 13th topic, you'll go for the database connections, guys. As part of this course, I'll share the 4 databases, basically. One is Oracle database connections, we will see. Installation of Oracle, working with the Oracle database, MySQL database, we will see. PostgreSQL database, we will see. MongoDB database, I will see. Out of these 4 databases, guys, 3 databases I will work. I will give assignment of 1 database. Which database, if you need do the assignment, you choose the database. Remaining 3 databases, I'll write the examples. I hope you understood the point, right? Because after discussing 3 databases, at least you are able to work with the 4th database, right? Yes or no? But these
Repeat it once again, sir. I did not get you.
total 4 databases examples are there in the material. Total 4 databases examples are there. But 3 databases, I will write the code. How to work with the database, how to create a tables, insertion, code operation, I will take care about the 3 databases. 1 databases, I given 1 assignment to you.
Okay, sir.
You try to do the work about
Right,
the
coding part.
Yes, sir.
Even material contains example. Okay, just you try to execute that example. That's it. Okay, yeah. Yes, regular expressions, guys. Regular expressions very, very important. So how to pattern matching and all. Pattern matching you can do regular expression concept, right? Exactly. Next one, class versus objects, guys. Object orientation. How to define the classes, how to create the object, how to handle the exceptions, how to handle the objects, right? 16th topic is like OOPS concepts, guys. Inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, OOPS concepts, guys. Next one, packages, because the project level, how to create the packages and how to import one package into another package. Okay, and we have the modules concept, guys. Actually, previously I written the sub data, but I removed, maybe I removed. Yeah, packages concept as the modules concept is there. In the project level, definitely we have to create a one Python file and multiple Python files. Definitely we have to write what? Multiple Python files, right? Yeah,
Yes,
that is
sir.
called modules, guys. Then we have to import one module into another module, right? We have to import what? One module into what? Another module or not? We'll go for the module structure, guys. Next is the modifiers in Python. We have the public, private, protected modifiers are there. So public, private, protected. Those modifiers are there. You'll discuss modifiers and the predefined modules, guys. Actually, in our classes, almost all I'll discuss the 50 modules, predefined modules, just like names module, collection module, random module, string module, names module, statistics module, sys module, OS module, math module, kilo module, time module, etc. Like that, I will discuss almost all multiple modules, guys. You will get information. Next context will be like what? Multi-threading. How to create a thread, how to maintain the thread pooling, inter-thread communications, timers classes, sleeping the threads, yielding the threads. We'll discuss the multi-threading concept, guys. Yielding the multi-threading. Okay, see, actually I didn't write the subtopics, but this is 228 page to 241. Almost all how many pages material is there regarding threading? 228 to 241 means
13 pages, sir.
13
almost
pages.
all 13 pages material is there. I didn't write the subtopics, but almost all 13 page material means you are going to use data. And the 22nd topic is JSON module, guys. JSON, JavaScript object notation. These days, JSON is very familiar word, right? Very famous word, right? JSON data. So JSON data we will discuss, guys. How to make the JSON data, how to work with the JSON data. REST API is actually separate topic, but at least I will take one example with REST API. I will check that REST API call using the Postman tool. What the tool name is here? Postman. Anyone is heard about the Postman, right? To check the
No,
APIs.
sir.
To check the REST APIs, definitely I'll show one example. I'm not saying like completely REST API will discuss, because REST API it will take 1 month classes for me. So in this course, I'll show you the flavor of REST API. What is REST API? Okay. Next one, you'll see the topic like magic functions, guys. So very, very important. Magic functions in the real-time frequently use magic functions. And Django, I will make one example, guys, to understand the Django importance, how we will design the client server based applications. Okay, client server based applications. And coming to the data science, guys, last 3 topics, which is very, very important for the data science persons, which is like pandas. Guys, which is like what? Pandas are there, which is like NumPy is there, which is like logging module, inter module, Seaborn module, Matplotlib module. Seaborn is also very, very important module, guys. In the data science, to plot the diagrams, graphs is there, right? To plot the graphs, we are going for the Seaborn module. What the module name is here? Seaborn module, right? Exactly. Matplotlib module and Seaborn module to plot the diagrams basically. Okay, good. Guys, these are the 28 topics I will take, and some more topics also added, guys, which is like encoders and decoders, guys. 29th topic I can take like so encoders on what? Encoders and decoders. Encoders and what? Decoders. You can take the topic actually. Some more topics, almost all 30 topics I will add, guys. Guys, as part of this course, how many topics you will get? 30 topics we will get. Guys, I hope you got the clarity about the index, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have one question.
Tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
anything is you required extra this apart from this
No,
this
sir.
topics?
It's about what you actually discussed. This modules, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Sir, will you go? Discuss about this in detail, or will you just give us a brief idea about it?
No, not idea. In the Matplotlib, you can completely, you're able to write how many diagrams are there. See, for example,
The Matplotlib is about the graphs, right?
Exactly. In the Panda,
Statistics.
yeah, definitely. About the graphs only.
Yeah, sir. So what's the cost of this course? how much fee?
Fees you'll get after the class, you'll get the mail, guys. You try to check the mail. Hey, Seaborn module and see, NumPy pandas, definitely I'll go with in details, guys. It's not a problem. Let me show the material of that data. It's not like touching the data, not like that, guys. Definitely you'll go for the in detail concepts for that. It's not a problem. So Seaborn module part 4. Guys, I divided your Python into 4 parts. Part 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you'll get the Django, JSON example, Lang, Matplotlib, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Tinker. You get the information, it's not a problem. We will see. And yeah, that is the index page, guys, you will get. And as part of this course, guys, you'll go for the IDs. What are the IDs we will see, you know? What are the IDs what are the IDs we will see, you know? IDs says to write the application, guys. To write application. Guys, you'll go for the, as part of Python, you go for the PyCharm ID. The standard for the Python is like what? A PyCharm ID. PyCharm is given by JetBrains, guys. I think in my system, PyCharm is installed, it's not a problem. So PyCharm is there. Guys, we will do the applications using, because in the real time, we are going to the IDs only, right? You go for the JetBrains, PyCharm, right? PyCharm ID we will use to write application.
Yes.
And you go for the mostly VSC editor, guys. Visual Studio.
IDLE is also there, sir.
Ideally is only for the classroom examples. In the classroom, just to check the data, ideally. Do you think like in ideally we will write the complete project?
No.
Ideally, this Amirpet class is only command prompt, you know. Generally, ideally is there. If you open ideally this one, in ideally, what you will write, tell me how extent you will write the code. Just only A plus B dictionary, right? Guys, forget about Amirpet
Yes,
classes,
sir.
guys. Amirpet class is not going to help out in real time, definitely.
No, sir. In our MSc classes, they taught in IDLE only.
They thought in ideally means they are writing the only 1 line of 2 lines of code in ideally, right?
Yes, sir.
Mostly 5-6 lines of code. This is ideally. Here, how extent you will write the code? 10 plus 20, 30 you will write. Otherwise, mostly print statement you will write. Mostly otherwise, you can take the num1 equal to 10. You can take the num2 equal to 20 and result equal to what? Num1 plus num2. Then you can print the result. Mostly this much code you can write. But do you think real-time project we can do this ideally?
No, sir.
You got the clarity, right? In the real time, what we will use? This is only for the classroom examples, guys. Ideally, terminals, Notepad, Edit Plus. This is all only for the classroom purpose to run the only basic code. But you have to analyze: is it ideally, if I'm doing the practical, is it going to help out in the real time?
What we use in the real time, sir?
What is the
What is the one we'll use in real time?
PyCharm, VSC, PyCharm.
PyCharm.
Some companies are using PyCharm ID. Most of the companies are using VSC ID, Visual Studio Code.
So you're going to teach both, right?
See, in my system, both are installed, right? So some examples you will do using PyCharm, some examples you will use using VSC, and even some example you will go for the IntelliJ also, and some example you will go with Anaconda also. Anyways, heard about Anaconda, right?
Yes, sir.
In my system, everything is installed. See, Anaconda Navigator is there.
Jupyter Notebook.
Anaconda Navigator supports internal Jupyter Notebook. This is Jupyter Notebook, is there, right? Yeah, Anaconda Navigator is there. In that, it supports like a Spider ID is also there. SPY. Yeah, this is my Spider. We will do some example of the Spider also. We will do some example of the Spider. We will do some example about the Jupyter Notebook. So that in the real time, depends on the company, what they are using, you are able to work with all, right? That is our intention.
Sir?
Tell me.
You're going to teach all these IDs, right?
Definitely. 2-3 topics PyCharm ID, 2-3 topics VSC ID, 1 or 2 topics IntelliJ ID, 1 or 2 topics Anaconda ID.
Okay, sir.
So topic wise, I'll change the ID. At any cost, if I didn't use the ID, you let me know. Sir, you said ID we will use. Can you please use the all IDs? So that topic by topic, I'll use the change the ID.
Okay, sir.
See, in the demo class, if I promised, definitely I have to teach, right? Then there is no point of taking the class.
Yes, sir.
See, maybe if I forgot, I will write the code using VSC ID. Some classes, what I will do, I will habituate the VSC, I will start the coding VSC, I will move with the VSC. Immediately students are saying, sir, can please change the PyCharm ID? Then immediately I will stop using VSC, I will go for the PyCharm ID. That is up to you. Okay?
Okay, sir.
That is
Sir, do we get placement assessment in this from you?
Placement assistant means you can write durgajobs.com is there. So what are the placements are there? They uploaded this durgajobs.com website.
Sir, will you provide the placements?
See guys, actually there are two things. Durgajobs.com is there. Just you can check their website every day. What are the placements are they uploading? Just you can go to interviews, attend the interviews. One thing. Another thing is like in the previous classes, what happened? After 2 days, like tomorrow, mostly day after tomorrow, the link is changed. It means the guys who are paid fees, they'll attend the classes, right? For those guys, we'll create a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, clearly I will say that if any other students are shared then their companies, they are the interviews, they'll upload that in your WhatsApp group. Even in your batch, if any companies or openings are there, you can upload in WhatsApp group so that you will communicate with each other. We'll upload any interviews are going on regarding Python, just attend the interviews. That help I will give you.
Okay, sir.
That help I will give you. And definitely anyone is in your companies, if the interviews are going on, please let me know so that we will upload in all WhatsApp groups, whatever the WhatsApp groups I have. And see, I have almost 13 WhatsApp groups regarding your Python classes. Anyone is upload the placement that interview date and all, I will upload in all WhatsApp groups. That will be good, right? That will be.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
That I will do definitely. Yeah. Because I hope you got the clarity, right? These are the IDs we are going to use in the application level. PyCharm ID, Visual Studio ID, IntelliJ ID, and what? Anaconda ID, right?
Sir, only 1 hour class we have.
Yeah, definitely is 1 hour class. We'll start by 11 o'clock. We'll stop by 12 o'clock. Today is a bit late. 12:05 is already because the system was rebooted, right? We started. Yeah. I think you got the clarity about what the last class we done, how we going to take the classes, and what are the materials, what are the index pages, and everything is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope everyone got some clarity. And tomorrow we'll start the practicals, guys. Without wasting any time, tomorrow I'll start the practicals because Python is more about the coding part. So there is no chance, more about a practical part, guys. That's what we will start the tomorrow itself programming.
So by tomorrow we'll start the class, this batch, sir.
Programming will start tomorrow. See, yesterday also we got some important points, na? Today also we got some index page. Tomorrow we'll start the programming regarding Python.
So tomorrow is
The only
also
thing
a
is I
demo
wanted
class
to know.
only.
Sorry?
Tomorrow is also a demo class only.
Oh my God. For you, it is demo, but the class I'm taking as Python data, index page, everything is clear, right? It's going good, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm saying. Tomorrow is not demo. Tomorrow we'll start the programming, I'm saying. Tomorrow we'll start the programming. That's what I'm saying. Okay?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
I mean, if we get delayed by 1 or 2 days, we'll miss all this too, no, sir. That's why I'm asking. Or the next batch is going to start in 1
We
week.
got the clarity, right? Yesterday what we done. So I shared the link also, right? So there is I think you got the idea.
Sir,
Yes.
It means like today is the first class we done, right? Yesterday just done. I shared the link also. You try to check that link. Yesterday class just we discussed the index space and you have some questions. I explained your questions, right? And tomorrow we will start the programming about your Python first class, right? Programming about the programming.
So to execute this, we need to install
that Python installation process that I'll take in tomorrow class. Installation, see, first classes installation also not required. I will go for the online compilers up to habituate some examples. Okay. So in Python online compiler, one website is there, Repeal. First 2-3 days practicals using this online compiler we will see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See
Okay.
here Python is there directly. Tomorrow we will write.
Here
the
we can
program.
execute our program.
First 2 days you no need to install. Just you can do this one. Num1
Okay,
equal to 10. Num1 equal to 10. In Python, semicolons not required. In Python, data
Okay.
types are not required. These all are not required. Why these all are not required? What is Python? That I'll tell you tomorrow. Okay, this is the Python code. That's it. Even second class kid and I can understand this code, right?
Yes.
Num1
But
equal
not
to-
that easy, so as you said.
Not that is easy, but Python okay, fine. When compared to Java, Python is good actually. So result equal to what? Num1 plus num2 print result, right? So simply can run this code
30.
base. Here you got the output is 30.
Yes.
As not that much easy, but okay, fine. Because
Okay.
tomorrow, see here we don't put a semicolon now. In Python, Java, we can see guys, every line ends with semicolon mandatory na. Every
Yes, sir.
variable we have to put the data types, okay, and everything we have to start the braces, open brace, close braces.
Yes, sir.
And Python, one good thing is, you never put the semicolons. Another good thing, you never put the data types. Another good thing, you never put the braces concept in Python. Python, there is no starting brace, ending braces concept.
Here we have given the data types, no, sir, integers.
It is not going to work out. You'll get error. Things like that.
That's why we call
Okay.
Python as a dynamically programmed language.
Dynamically typable language. So that I'll discuss in tomorrow class. Okay.
Sir, I have one small doubt.
Mm.
We didn't learn Python that much in our graduation level. So you are going to teach everything, right?
So
Here.
0 to 100, everything I will teach. It's not a problem.
Yes, sir. I
From
have no idea about
basics.
Python.
From starting to ending, I will take care of it. No worries at all. Even I will share my number at any time. You can contact me. You can talk to me. If I
Okay, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
no worries, I will take care about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excuse
Thank
me,
guys. A couple of demo classes done. You try to complete the formalities by today evening, and you try to take the new link by tomorrow.
Sir,
I'll
how
check.
many students in a batch?
Almost all 20 members in the class now. We will see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
4 boxes, blue, 2 blocks.
Why? How many students means? Count is important for us.
No,
No, sir,
sir.
not necessary.
If members are less, so we will
No.
concentrate on.
Nothing. So 20 members in the class. See, even first 2 class, I'm talking to everyone, right? You're asking question, I'm responding, right? Because first 10, definitely your satisfaction important, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
if you are not understanding, if I'm teaching the subject, what is the use?
Sir.
Yeah, sir.
There is no use, right? There is no point of teaching like that, right? Yeah. Definitely, I will take care about that points, guys, and definitely I will share the interview questions, test papers, class notes, materials, everything I will share you. And once if you done the formalities, I'll share your number. At any point of time, if you have any issues, just you can call me so that we will move forward. We will check and we'll move forward. Okay.
The
Sir,
material will be in
after
the soft
completion of
copies.
the course, will you provide the certificate
Hello?
for us?
Definitely we'll complete your certificate.
Hello. Yeah, KP.
Very clear. Yeah.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
అంటే టైమింగ్స్ వేరే టైమింగ్స్ ఏమన్నా ఉన్నాయా సార్ నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ కి?
No. Present we have the one 11 to 12.
సార్ తర్వాత రికార్డింగ్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు కదా?
Every day we'll get the recorded session after your class. If you are not getting recorded session, just send a WhatsApp message. Then we create the group, right? We'll create the group, right? In the group, just send me the message so that I'll send that message to the admin people. They'll upload it immediately.
ఓకే సార్.
It's not like after completion of the complete course, every day you will get the recorded session to your mail IDs. Okay.
Yes, sir. That's better. If in case you will forget or if you are unable to attend the class, we can
Yeah,
hear
that's for 1 or 2 classes. If you miss even, just you can take the recorded session. Will be next class will be ready, right? That will be fine.
ఓకే సార్.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Tomorrow night. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.